This is a reverse gear budget. He only goes back to 2013-18. He never speaks of the present challenges, financial challenges, and what are the financial arrangements they have made to meet the guarantees. He has taken 8,000 crores more loan, and he has increased the taxes in excise, in motor vehicles, and in stamp and registration. This is a huge burden on the people. It's anti-people, and this is a retrograde budget, and it doesn't have any new orientation or a new direction, and this will bring the state into financial mess. This is totally a bad culture Mr. Sidramaya has done. He has politicized the budget speech. To make politics, there are so many other avenues. But he has misused the opportunity to present budget, and you can see every word, every paragraph with vengeance. It's totally politicized the budget. We have also done a lot of programs. They have done little more, that's all.